Today we're going to remove the rear window tint off this Porsche 944, and I'm going to show you how to do it without damaging the defroster. So there's three things you're going to need: a small razor, a towel, and your wife's clothing steamer. Shh. Basically what you're going to do is use this clothing steamer, let it get up to temperature, and then pick a corner to start steaming on it. Small razor blade to get the corner lifted. Be careful not to burn your fingers. And then just start peeling back as you steam, and this tint will come right off. No need to try to scrape it, damage your defroster strips or anything like that. Let me get this thing fired up. Alright, you can see that it's adhered fairly well. And if we were to try to scrape this, you know, it'll come off, but it's going to be very time consuming to do that. So take the steamer and just let it cook the window tint, and then take the razor. Be careful not to burn yourself. The steam is extremely hot. Get the corner lifted and just start to peel. Now, a lot of this is already torn where someone has tried to scrape it off before. Luckily, they didn't damage any of the defroster strips. Once you get this stuff started, it'll just peel away from the glass, adhesive and everything. There we go. Just take your time. It's going to tear. It's old, it's brittle. There's a big chunk of it. I'm right here in the curve of the glass, so it's a little more difficult. You want to be careful around your defroster strips with the razor. So once you get it started really well, you can see it just peels right off. You just let the steamer do the work. And if you start to accumulate too much water, just wipe it up with the towel. tints. Hopefully this will help some of you turn a pain in the ass job into something that's a little bit easier to do. But as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.